Part 3rd. Ruhi travels 300 km to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours. If she travels 60 km by train and remaining by bus, if she travels 100 km by trains and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and bus separately. So let's see this problem, how we could sort it out the given problem. Let the speed of train and speed of bus would be x km per hour and y km per hour respectively. V equals to x upon t, so we can write time t equals to x upon v. Okay, so using this formula we will write these equations. Clear? So let's see. So we have given that she is covering some distance by train and speed she travels 60 km by train. So x is the distance. Okay, so x is the distance, that means x, we are considering it x1 upon u by train, u plus the remaining distance is, we don't know, the remaining is x2, or we can say x minus, rather than writing it x2 we could write it remaining distance x minus x1. Here distance is given x equals to 300 km. Okay, so we are writing this, and the remaining distance is covered by bus. Speed of bus is v, so that is equals to time period is equals to 4. Okay, now replacing the values, x equals to 60 upon u plus remaining distance 300 minus 60, then we'll get 240. Okay, so here we could put the value 240 upon v, that one is equals to 4. Okay, so this one is first equation. Clear? Now similarly we could write the second equation. Let's see. Now in second condition we have given that 100 kilometers covered by train. So again the distance is 100 covered by train, that is u, speed of train is u, and remaining distance would be 200. Okay, and how we got 200? 300 minus 100 will get 200. Okay, so remaining distance is 200 and the speed of bus is v, and this time we have given that she took how much time? 4 hours plus 10 minutes. Okay, so we could convert this minutes in hours by dividing 60. So this one would be 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6 plus 4, we could take LCM. So after taking LCM we could write it like this: 1 plus 24 or 25 upon 6. Okay, so this one is the time period. So time period would be 25 upon 6. Clear? So this one is the equation number 2. I am again writing this. This one is the equation number 2. Hope you got this one. Again I am explaining this, how we got the time. We have given the time this time in this condition we have given she is taking 10 minutes more. So this one is hours, this one is minutes, so we are converting it into hours. So we will get 4 plus 1 upon 6. Now taking LCM we will get this much of time. Okay, in hours. So we got this relation. This one is second equation. Now we got both the equations, first and second. As you can see, using the given conditions, we got both these equations, first and second. Now for solving this, we are assuming that 1 upon u is equals to p and 1 upon v is equals to q. So replacing these values in equation first and second, we will get new equations in terms of p and q. Let's see the new equations. So we have new equations. This one is 60p plus 240q is equals to 4. This one is third equation, and next one is 600p plus 1200q is equals to 25. This one is denoted by equation number 4. Okay, so now we will solve these equations. So let's see. Okay, I'm going to fix this like this. Okay, now we have two equations. Now we have two equation number third and fourth. Now we are going to multiply equation third by 10. So this equation would be converted like this: 600p plus 2400q is equals to 40. Okay, so this one is denoted by equation number 5. Now we have equation 4th and equation 5. Now we will solve this equation. So we are going to subtract equation 4 from 5. So let's see the process. If we are going to subtract, we will change the signs. Okay, so here we will introduce negative, here again negative, and here again negative. Okay, so for simplifying this, I would like to write again these equations: 600p plus 100. Let me write it: 1200q is equals to 25. And next equation is 600p plus 2400q is equals to 40. So subtracting, we will introduce here negative signs. Okay, this one will be cancelled out and we will get minus 1200q is equals to minus 15. Minus and minus sign will be cancelled out. We will get the value of q like this. Q would be equals to 15 upon 1200, or after simplifying we will get q equals to 1 upon 80, and we know the value of q is equals to 1 upon 1 upon v. So the value of q is equals to 1 upon v, so we will get v equals to 80 km per hour. Okay, similarly we can find the value of p. Okay, so replacing the value q equals to 1 upon 80 in equation number, we are replacing this equation in equation number 5th. Okay, so let's see. Fifth one is 2400 into 180 is equal to 40. So I am going to solve this. I doesn't believe how much. 30. Okay, so 600p would be 40 minus 30 equals to 10. So p would be 10 upon 600, or after simplifying we'll get P is equals to 1 upon 60. Okay, so again we know that P is equals to 1 upon 60, and we know that the value of P is equals to 1 upon U. So we'll get U equals to 60 kilometer per hour. This one is kilometers. Okay, so we got both the values U and V. So our solution is the speed of train, that is denoted by U, is 60 kilometers per hour, and speed of bus, that is denoted by V, is 80 kilometers per hour. Okay.